So let's move ahead. Remember, we just finished talking about lighting, so let's talk about temperature. Temperature is important for several reasons. The primary one is growth rate. If your temperatures are too low, the plants, these immature plants, are going to grow much more slowly. And if the temperature is too high, they're really not going to grow that much more fast. So the reality is temperature is important, but it's mainly important because of mold and growth rate. And the temperature range that you want to be in is somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or somewhere between 16 and 19, maybe close to 20 Fahrenheit. That's optimal. You can get up to as much as 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and with proper other environmental conditions, you aren't going to have real problems, but you're not going to see a whole lot more growth rate either. So if it's winter, for example, you certainly don't want to be heating a system to get up to that 80-degree range. And so that would be somewhere in the 25 centigrade range, 26 or so. If it's summer and you're having to worry about cooling because the temperatures are too high, the challenge of being in that 80-degree range is going to be that you're more susceptible to mold. And we're going to talk a little more about that a little later. If you stay in that 65 to 70-degree range, or 16 to 19, you are not going to have typically nearly the problems with mold, and you're going to be optimal in terms of growth. Start to get up above 80 and higher, and now you're going to see problems with both growth. The growth will actually be slowed considerably, and you're going to have horrible potential problems with mold.